Now we're going to tickle your feet. Now we're going to tickle your feet. Is that your birthday?
Is it going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do you want to sing again? You want to do it again? Okay. You gotta wait till we sing. Okay? Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Coley. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Almost.
Try again. You almost got it.
Yay!
I won.
Yay!
Yay! All right, you're a big girl. Would you like to eat some cake?
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you? 2?
Huh?
2? Say I'm 2.
I'm 2. Say I'm 2.
Matthew.
Marty's 2. Good girl.
Is that good cake? Mmm.
She wouldn't do that on her first birthday. We'll have to show you that one, Coley.
Your birthday?
Yeah.
Birthday. Your birthday.
Give me candles. Your birthday candles?
Candles.
You have to eat your
What do you
cake.
say? What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay, what do you think?
Happy birthday.
What do you think, Daddy? We can sing one more time?
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Coley. Happy birthday to you.
She knows.
Yay!
Wow! Oh
Yay.
my gosh!
Good girl.
Good girl!
It's your birthday.
Your birthday.
Is that one?
You sit down, my mommy. Now what?
Want to be a hat.
You want to be a hat? How old are you? No, you don't play with that. That's hot. That's what you say?
Pink.
Okay. What do you want?
Pink.
Okay. Go. You gotta sing. Say happy
Sing.
birthday to you.
Sing it to Mommy.
You want to sing it to Mommy? Okay, that's fine. Did 2 minutes ago. Mommy? Okay, well, now what does Mommy do? No. What do we do?
How do we do it?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Coley. Happy birthday to you.
Bone.
Blow 'em out. Do it. Yeah. Oh. Almost. There you go. Almost. Yay! Okay. Uncle Marty tired of singing.
Okay, want to eat?